Hello guys, and welcome back to another airdrop, another huge potential airdrop this year. This is called Hyperlane, and it's a platform that is allowing API SDK builds on their chain. I know it sounds advanced, but when you see this kind of words, permissionless interoperability, it's really advanced stuff that basically combines a lot of things together, and they have a lot of big projects joining them and building with them and all that stuff. On top of it, they had over 18 million investments from leading venture capitalists like Circle, like Kraken Ventures. So this could be a very tasty and juicy airdrop in the near future, and I'm gonna quickly show you what you need to do. There's a couple steps, very easy. Buying Celestia and then doing some tasks like this one. If you already have Celestia and you've got KEPLR wallet, then it's fine, and you're gonna need also Metamask wallet to do some bridges. So let's just jump right in. So first thing, if you don't have Celestia, then obviously in KEPLR wallet you would require install it, and then you've got Celestia here. You can buy directly inside KEPLR wallet as well if you want to. I buy it on exchange, is a bit cheaper, I think, if you buy it here, and then you withdraw from your wallet to your Celestia address into KEPLR. So basically later just Celestia, and then you withdraw it. It took me a couple minutes to arrive in the wallet, and you paste your wallet from KEPLR. And once you have some money in your KEPLR, now we're going to go to bridge some Celestia from Celestia to Neutron. From Hyperlane Nexus page, basically just to have some interactions. That's why you have to bookmark this page. Make sure you come back, maybe do one transaction once a week until they release the token to have a higher chance. So we're gonna connect Cosmos wallet, KEPLR wallet, approve that, and send a very tiny amount. So I've got like 4.5. I'm gonna send 0.02 if it lets me. Yeah, maybe 0.01 even. Continue and send to Neutron. Approve. So as you can see, all in total would cost you about $3, but if you can send more Celestia to yourself, like 5 Celestia or 3 Celestia, you can stake the rest, which is also a very good way to gain some potential airdrops and stuff like that, and also obviously grow with the price of Celestia, which is a very good coin. So this is done. As I said, just come back once a week. Make sure you bookmark it, have some airdrop folder. I'm gonna need to add it soon here as well, and come back once a week to check out what's going on and send a little bit more like that. So now we have the second one, which is called MEXC. As you can see, we are here as well on Hyperlane. So what I did basically, you need money on some other network. You connect Metamask this time, not KEPLR wallet. In Metamask, you've got obviously Binance, Avalanche, Polygon, all that stuff. Polygon is quite cheap, Optimism cheap. I've got some in Base as well. I don't have money in those other ones, and Ethereum obviously expensive. So either if you have some BNB or some Avalanche or some other one, go for it. If not, you can obviously top up the same way, just buy it on MEXC or exchange and send it to your own wallet, to your own address in Metamask. So I've got some MATIC. I'm gonna use some MATIC here. So choose Polygon and whichever other network, then you click on mint. As you can see, the transactions were about 50 cents. Not sure if maybe some of them are cheaper, maybe some of the new ones. And I've minted. It doesn't show any confirmation here, but once you mint it, you can bridge it as well. You can click on the Explorer just to check the transaction. Everything is fine, or maybe it's not fine yet, not refreshed yet. But let's go to the next one, which will be this HFT bridge. Same story here, from network to another network. Let's do to Base, because this is a transactions that you're not going to be able to recover, let's say. So just let's do like that, and then just breach them, and that's what I said, every once a week at least, come back, do it again, practice farming airdrops. And on to the next one. Okay, so we have balance one, as you can see, max, bridge, and that's the whole process of doing those couple transactions like that. Again, some yeah, this one is like $2.3, so it's not free, but it will help obviously with the airdrop because your wallet is connected to it. So that's it, this is done. You can click on explore again, but it might take a while for it to refresh, and all you have to do, just make sure obviously you confirm transactions, everything went through, and that's it. That's how we can farm. And as I said, just come back and try again in a week or couple days and farm some more. So this is it, guys. Let me know any questions, comments, or contact me on Telegram or Discord, and thank you for watching.